Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer for anyone working with heavy machinery. If you're a technician, a fleet manager, or a heavy equipment owner, you know that downtime is your biggest enemy. Every hour a machine is down, money is flying out the window. That's why having the right diagnostic tool is not just a convenience, it's an absolute necessity. But the market is flooded with options. So which one truly stands out? Well, today, we're re-putting the spotlight on a powerhouse system that has been making serious waves in the industry. The TEXA off-highway diagnostic tool, powered by So, what makes the TEXA system so special? Let's start with its biggest strength. Its incredible multi-brand coverage. In the world of off-highway equipment, you're not just dealing with one brand. On any given day, you could be working on a Caterpillar dozer, a Komatsu excavator, a Volvo wheel loader, a JCB backhoe, a Bobcat skid steer, or a case tractor. In the past, this often meant juggling multiple diagnostic tools, different software subscriptions, and a whole lot of frustration. It was inefficient and expensive. This is where the TEXA system completely changes the game. It consolidates all of that into one single, powerful interface. Imagine having comprehensive diagnostic capabilities for all the major players: Komatsu, Volvo, JCB, Bobcat, Case, and so many others, all in the palm of your hand. No more switching laptops, no more fumbling with different cables and adapters, no more learning separate software for each brand. You connect one tool, and you're ready to diagnose virtually any piece of heavy equipment that rolls into your shop or breaks down on the job site. This isn't just about making your life easier. It's about making your entire operation faster, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. But great coverage is only half the story. The real power of a diagnostic tool lies in what it can actually do. The TEXA system goes far beyond simple code reading. We're talking about deep, dealership-level diagnostics. It communicates flawlessly with all the critical protocols you'll encounter, including the industry standards like J1939 and the older J1708 systems. This means you get a complete picture of the machine's health. Let's break down what that means in practice. You can tap directly into the hydraulic systems to monitor pressures, activate solenoids, and perform calibrations. This is huge for troubleshooting slow or non-responsive attachments. You can perform advanced diagnostics on the complex exhaust after-treatment systems, like the DPF and SEO. This allows you to monitor soot levels, check sensor readings, and even force a part regeneration right from your laptop. This alone can save you thousands in costly repairs and prevent extended downtime. The system also gives you full access to the fuel systems, allowing you to run injector cutout tests, check rail pressure, and diagnose fuel delivery issues with precision. And of course, it provides a crystal clear view of the CAN communication network, helping you pinpoint tricky electrical faults and communication errors between different control modules. It's like having X-ray vision for the machine's electronic nervous system. The TEXA system doesn't just tell you there's a problem. It gives you the detailed data and functional tests you need to find the root cause quickly and accurately. Now, let's talk about the user experience, because the most powerful tool in the world is useless if it's too complicated to use. This is another area where TEXA and CodeMechanic really shine. The software is designed with the technician in mind. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and presents complex information in a way that's easy to understand. You get live data streams, wiring diagrams, component locations, and step-by-step troubleshooting guides built right into the software. Think about it. You pull a fault code, and instead of having to run back to the office to look it up in a manual, the software can often provide you with information about the code, show you where the related component is on the machine, and give you the correct testing procedure. This streamlined workflow saves an incredible amount of time on every single job. The CodeMechanic team also provides fantastic support, so you're never left on your own if you run into a tricky problem. In conclusion, the TEXA off-highway diagnostic tool is more than just a code reader. It's a complete diagnostic solution that empowers technicians to work smarter, not harder. Its extensive multi-brand coverage eliminates the need for multiple tools, while its deep diagnostic capabilities allow you to tackle everything from hydraulic and fuel system issues to complex after-treatment and electrical problems. By combining powerful hardware with user-friendly software and excellent support, it delivers a massive return on investment by drastically reducing diagnostic time and minimizing machine downtime. If you're serious about maintaining and repairing heavy equipment, this is a tool you need to have in your arsenal. That's all for today's review. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. If you have any experience with the TEXA system, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest tools and tech in the industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.